WorkForce WF-7710 is a product of the Epson brand. It is part of the Epson WorkForce series, which the company produces in a single color, black. Regarding speed, the WF-7710 is a printer that falls somewhere in the middle ground, since it is rated at 18 ppm on monochrome single-sided documents and 10 ppm for color printing. I thus tested the printer's speed to ascertain the ratings. I printed 12-page monochrome and Excel documents and then computed the speed the printer took to complete the task. The printer printed monochrome documents at 15 ppm, which is lower than the rating. For the color Excel documents, the printer completed the task at a speed of 7.5 ppm. The test speeds were lower than the rated speeds, so I repeated the tests but got the same results. On A3 paper, the printer finished 5 pages of black text in 43 seconds, but 5 pages of color graphics-rich content took slightly more than 2 minutes. My duplex test was performed at 2.2 pages per minute when scaled up. Although this may seem sluggish, very few other printers can even print on both sides of an A3 sheet. Finally, to determine how rapidly the WF-7710 prints photos, I put two 4 by 6 inch snapshots that were very color-rich and detailed through the printer many times, stopped the timer each time, and averaged the output. The printer produced my test photos on the WF-7710 in 30 seconds. It is common for printer ratings to differ from actual printing speeds. However, it should be within a minimal range, smaller than I witnessed with this printer. Not considering that defect, the printer is fast, and its speed is at par with different inkjet printers in the market. Epson's printing and scanning quality are among the highest available in the printing industry. The maximum print resolution of the Epson WorkForce WF-7710 is 2400 dpi, which is twice as high as most all-in-one printers. In addition, Epson printers offer excellently thick blacks and colors that are more brilliant than most of its rivals. This printer is capable of producing vibrant and stunning prints in a variety of sizes. Images produced from the WF-7710 generally appear sharp and vibrant when printed on the premium glossy paper Epson provided at the maximum quality setting. The final images could be better. The business graphics were also really decent. Minor banding in darker backgrounds and gradients, as well as some color shifting from lighter tints to darker ones, were visible to my eye, but they were not enough to label the papers as unsatisfactory. I printed a ton of sample text pages, and regular serif and sans serif fonts looked great, with well-formed characters from approximately 6 points and above. In our tests, larger headline sizes and even some ornamental types fared better than average. The WF-7710 is an excellent choice for professional use if most of your printing needs are for text. The cartridges for the Epson WF-7710 printer are designed with the busy home/small office printer market in mind. With 4 distinct colors in the Epson 27 line, each offering a significant output of up to 1,100 pages, the inks last forever. Have a set of spares on hand, and you're good to go. You may replace each color when it wears out. The cost of ink per page has been declining for most all-in-one printers due to intense competition. The WF-7710 is regrettably not one of them. For monochrome pages, the company's maximum yield ink cartridges cost 3.2 cents, while for color pages, it is 11.4 cents. The WF-7710, which has a 250-sheet paper tray up front and a 1-sheet override tray in the rear, measures 13.4 by 22.3 by 32.2 inches, HWD, and weighs 40.8 pounds. It can store 251 pages in total. The WF-7710 also has an automated document feeder, ADF, with a 35-sheet capacity and single-pass auto-duplexing functionality, making it easy to scan multi-page documents on both sides. The scanner on the Epson WorkForce WF-7710 has a maximum resolution of 4,800 dpi. It also reproduces color and contrast quite nicely. This guarantees you'll get scans of the highest quality and up to 13 by 19 inches. Another advantage is that Epson WorkForce WF-7710 is built with a more comprehensive control panel. The control panel had big and well-paced buttons, thus enabling you to press them quickly. It also has a 4.3-inch LCD touchscreen. The more prominent display makes it simpler to poke at menu items, and the whole interface seems more modern and sleek. If you need a high-quality wide-format printer or scanner, go no further than the Epson WorkForce WF-7710. This printer is an excellent option for any home or small business when printing at A3 size is a must. The Epson WorkForce WF-7710 is a multifunction printer, copier, and scanner that can easily handle wide-format paper but falls short of the competition.